In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a shareable link in Dropbox. Whether you're collaborating with a team, sending a project to a client, or simply sharing photos and documents with friends and family, knowing how to quickly generate a link will save you time and keep everyone on the same page. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Dropbox.com. Sign in with your usual credentials. If you're brand new to Dropbox, you can create an account, but assuming you're already set up, just log in as you normally do so you can get right to your files. Once you're in, you'll land on your Dropbox homepage where everything is organized. If you see your file or folder right away, great. If not, use the search bar at the top to quickly locate it. This is especially helpful if you work with a lot of content and don't want to scroll through a long list. When you've found the file or folder you want to share, hover your cursor over it. You'll see a few options appear. Look for the Share button and click it. This works the same way for both files and entire folders, so use whichever makes sense for what you're sending. A pop-up window will open, and you'll notice an option labeled Copy Link. Click that. Dropbox will instantly generate a unique link for that specific file or folder, and it will automatically copy it to your clipboard. That means you don't have to highlight anything or right-click. Your link is ready to paste right away. Now you're ready to share. Paste the link into an email, drop it into a chat, or place it inside a document or project brief. If you can paste text, you can paste your Dropbox link, which makes it incredibly convenient for any workflow. A quick tip here. If you're on a keyboard, you can paste with the standard shortcut, and on mobile, you can press and hold to paste. Simple and fast. And that's it. You've created a shareable Dropbox link. It's a straightforward process that streamlines collaboration and keeps files accessible without dealing with large email attachments. Before you send it off, it's always a good idea to double-check that you selected the correct file or folder, especially when you're working with sensitive information or multiple versions of a document. Thanks for watching. If this walkthrough helped, give the video a like, subscribe for more easy tutorials, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future tips. Happy sharing!